What's up guys, Model Airport Nation here, and today is a very special day because I have finally received my Layover Layouts layout for the Salt Lake City Delta Airlines hangar from Clipper Models here. What a beautiful job they did on this. Absolutely amazing. Finally got my American flag up on here. They'll be sending me a cool printed flag soon for it. Without further ado guys, let's get this open. Thank you to Chris at Layover Layouts for doing amazing work on this. Let's get right into it. Alright guys, the layout is born. The layout is born. There we go. Wow, this is actually a lot bigger than I thought it'd be. Holy cow. Well, this is legit. Guys. Holy cow. Look how big this thing is. Wow, that's so sick, guys. Salt Lake City, our first part of Salt Lake City, guys. All right, let me get the hangar on there so you guys can understand what I'm looking at here and what you guys are looking at too. All right, guys, here it is in all its glory on Layover Layouts layout here. This layout was actually originally done for a guy who worked at this hangar in real life, I guess, and Layover is really able to resell it, obviously, because since Layover made it. And yeah, it's really cool. So hats off to all you hard workers out there. If you guys are ramp workers or you guys work in tech ops or in the hangars here, I do appreciate you and all your hard work. I'm gonna get some awesome Delta airplanes out here so we can take a good look here. Look at this, guys. There's so much detail on this hangar. I've been just waiting to get this on the layout, actually, to be honest with you guys. It's been a while. Look at this. There's so much detail. Yeah, guys, Clipper Models is the way to go for your hangars, I think. They do an amazing job. Here's the other side. But yeah, guys, highly recommend Clipper Models here. And Layover Layouts. Look at this. Super cool, guys. All right, guys, here it is with the Delta A330-900neo inside. I also have some lights that I can put in the inside of this, so I think that I'm going to do that. It's going to make it look a lot more realistic, so stay tuned, guys. The next generation is here, guys. Stay tuned. Also, guys, I added a couple little lights in here, so take a look. Looking pretty cool. I just have some little battery powered lights, but we're going to add something really cool in the near future, so stay tuned, guys. All right, guys, here it is in front of the Salt Lake City hangar here. I have the Delta 100 livery here, A350 from Gemini Jets Models. Pulling on in here, as you guys can see, super detailed here. Also have my backdrop here from Train Junkies, the mountains here. Super cool, guys. Just beautiful. I'd like to thank you guys again for watching here. Model Airport Nation here, guys. And we'll see you guys in the next video. Happy collecting. Link in the description for Layover Layouts and Clipper Models in the description here, guys. And as well as many other amazing creators, including Tormac Designs and more. Thank you, guys, and happy collecting. Also Instagram, TikTok, and of course right here on YouTube, guys, at Model Airport Nation. Thank you, guys, and have a great rest of your day.